Hi, I'm Chuck Lofton. Well, today, weather-wise, we've got a little bit of everything. Yes, it will be warm. Yes, it will be humid. Some of you have dealt with some very dense fog today, but storms will move in this afternoon. Once they move out, a very nice weekend ahead with lower humidity. Look for the rain and thunderstorms to come into the metro area later today. What we're hoping for, folks, is a lot of cloud cover. If that happens, we're not going to have much bad weather. That's good news for all the people headed out to the Indians game or the Luke Bryan concert. This is concert number 1 of 2 out at Klipsch Music Center. And here's a look at our future track. This is 11:30 this morning. Again, cloud cover starts to move in. Rain this afternoon begins Bloomington and Columbus, but here comes that cold front. So between 6 and 8 p.m., we'll see these scattered thunderstorms. Let's go 85 for today. That just happens to be the average high this time of year. 68 tonight. 82 both Saturday and Sunday with lower humidity. Have a great afternoon.